members of the IRC. Today, I, Asif Salaria from the Department of Prosthodontics and Crown and Bridge, am here to present my research proposal for a short study. The title of my short study is Formulating an Anthropometric Ratio by Correlating Lower Facial Height and Central Incisor Height to aid in anterior aesthetic design. My guide throughout was Dr. Sunantha Selvaraj, Associate Professor. The artificial teeth selection in case of removable or fixed prosthesis is a very tedious task, especially if the patient does not have a pre-extraction photograph or any pre-extraction records. So it becomes very difficult to select the type of the form or the shape or the height of the tooth for that patient. Moreover, in this era where aesthetic dentistry is the up and coming thing, where not only the dentist but the patients also prefer teeth which suit their aesthetics. So in that case, the anterior teeth selection also becomes more difficult, and anterior teeth will not only help in the speech and mastication like for a completely dentulous patient, but they will also help in facial aesthetics. So thus the anterior teeth must be selected, and the restoration, if any restoration has to be done in the anterior teeth, it must be done in accordance with the facial appearance of the patient in order to achieve harmony. So the hypothesis is that there is no correlation. I have presented a null hypothesis, but there is no correlation between the lower facial height and the maxillary central incisor height in the individuals. So my aim and objectives: the aim is to correlate the lower facial height and the maxillary central incisor height to generate an anthropometric ratio. The objectives of my study are to record the lower facial height of the subjects, to record the maxillary central incisor height of the subjects, and to correlate between the recorded lower facial height and the maxillary central incisor height. For materials,